traders, welcome to another full video analysis on the most traded commodity in the world, and that is gold, XAUUSD. I'm going to give you a lot of information in this video. I hope that you find this video very educational and informative. And before we start with the analysis, I would like you all to hit the like button below and also hit the subscribe button because you will get a lot of more educational videos and a lot more analysis if you do those two things. Hit the like and hit the subscribe button now. Now, what I will explain to you in this situation with gold at the moment, for me, if we are looking at the weekly time frame, I am still bullish with this commodity, and I expect this commodity to actually keep on its bullish momentum. Okay, because in the long run and basically in the long run, you can see that the market is still bullish. It is not broken any important structural major support or anything like that. But now what I want to explain to you guys today is that you can see a very interesting bullish scenario on the weekly time frame looking at this commodity. Okay, I'm not saying it is going to be bullish right now. I'm saying that I can see a bullish scenario on this commodity in the near future. So let's have a look at the current price action and have a look at what we can see from a price action point of view. Now, with my eye, I can see a double high or a double equal high over here and an equal high over here. Normally, when the market creates an equal high like that, it means that there is some sort of bullish momentum in the market. Okay, I'll explain to you quite easily and quite quickly now how I can see a bullish scenario to play out. You can see that the market from here, you can see the market came down from here. Let me change this for you. Okay, you can see that the market came down from here all the way down to this support area. It came back up again to the strong resistance area. It then made a lower, basically a lower low. Okay, created this double bottom at the bottom here, but also created an equal high in this area over here. So now when a market creates an equal high, we expect the market to come down and create an equal low as well. And what kind of pattern will that give you? That will give you a inverse head and shoulders. So an inverse head and shoulders is normally, just so that for those that don't know what an inverse head and shoulders is, it's normally an equal high, okay, and lower low at the bottom over here, plus we have an equal low over here at the bottom. So a head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern, is a very bullish scenario for gold on a weekly time frame. Now, it's going to be an educational video, so I want you guys to keep watching. I want you to learn a little bit about what is happening in the gold market right now and what is the interesting facts about gold. Okay, so that is the bullish scenario that I've found on the weekly time frame. Okay, so let's go down to the daily time frame and let's have a look at the daily time frame. What kind of price action we have on the daily time frame. Now, I just want to point out to you guys that over here we all know that gold made a double bottom over here. Okay, this double bottom over here was extremely bullish momentum. Okay, extremely bullish momentum. The market came from a very big push to the downside, hit this what we call a bottom or a brick wall, and once the market created this double bottom over here, it was then turned a very strong area of support, made a nice double bottom, and after that created this nice big bullish rally. Now after this bullish rally, of course, after any bullish rally in the market or any bullish rally in the forex market, stock markets, whichever market you want to look at, there needs to be a bigger correction. Okay, so if you look at it from a Fibonacci point of view, if you take your Fibonacci from the low over here and you take it to the high over here, you can clearly see that the market has reached quite a strong area of the Fibonacci level. Now you can see that the market has reached the 61.8 Fibonacci, which is a very, very strong level of the market. It is a very strong area of the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is what we call the golden ratio. Now, with the golden ratio, with this said, is that over here, as you can see on the daily time frame, okay, as you can see from the daily time frame, let's mark it out first so that we can see. As you can see from the daily time frame, it is extremely important to understand that the market has already created quite a strong bullish candle over here on the daily time frame. It has made a very strong candle on the daily time frame on the 61.8. Now, if you look left to the 61.8, you can see that it is extremely strong support. It was strong support here. It was strong support here again. It was a good support here for many, many days. It was a very strong area of support. This is also an area where gold had consolidated and also made a range. You can see that the market had created a range here. The market created a range, and it after creating this range, it then decided to break up again to the upside. And that is exactly what I'm thinking that gold will start to be doing now in the next couple of days or next week. This is what gold will do. It's going to start to range for a while until it accumulates quite a lot of positions in this area before it can actually start the bigger push to the upside. Okay, so a lot of people ask me what is my upside target. My upside target, of course, if you're looking at the price action point of view, this will be my first target, which will be around the 1800 area. And my second target is quite simple. It will be around the 1870 or 1864 area. So this is where I expect gold at some point to actually start its push to the upside and keep its bullish momentum to the upside with the bullish scenario that we found on the weekly time frame. So, very important update for everybody. I think that the gold market will start to range from next week because we have some uncertainty about the inflation, and there's a lot of talk about the Feds and federal rates and stuff like that. So it's important for you guys to remember this type of scenario that I'm playing out for you guys. Now, just to show you guys what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, when we look at the 4-hour time frame, a lot of people said it is quite bearish, a lot of people said. Okay, and I don't think it's bearish at all. I think that the market is still stuck in this range as we speak. We are still stuck in a range where we have strong area of support at around 1764 and 1760, and we have a strong area of resistance here at the top. So until the market will break out from this range, until this gold will break out from this range, I will not be interested to trade it. I will not be interested to trade it. I will rather wait for the market to actually break above this range, and then on the retrace or the pullback or correction, whichever you like to call it, I will then be looking for a long-term um, opportunity for this commodity. So this is a very important update. It's very important not to trade inside this range, guys. It is very dangerous to trade inside this range because anything is possible. It can push to the downside. It can make stop hunts. It can a lot of liquidity grabs. So it's very important to rather wait and sit on your hands and wait until the market has started to move, whether it is to the upside or whether it is to the downside, whichever scenario you prefer. Um, that is up to you. But for me, I'm still looking for a nice bullish momentum and a bullish push from this commodity. I hope that this video was educational, and I hope that you understood everything that I said in the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video to your friends, and also, most importantly, if you have any questions, in the comments section below, write me up. I will be happy to answer any of your questions that you ask. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you guys in the next updated analysis about this commodity. See you then.